Thanks for joining in today. My name is Mike Scott. I'm the shepherd of Solutionlink. I'd like to spend just a couple minutes here and expose you to this new tool. There's a number of trends in the marketplace, but a couple in particular help drive us to the development of something we call the prescriptive approach and Solutionlink, the tool. The first is an increasing desire by our customers and frankly need as we move to solutions from products to provide them more leadership and to show how we can integrate our business processes and show them from a value standpoint what would be the best way to deploy our technology and get business improvement out of it. What does Solutionlink provide? The first is it helps you define value. We use tips, trends, implications, and possibilities to do that. And after value definition, to be able to tie that to the solution in a phased roadmap. You might have heard of a big block. This is one diagram that is used to express the overall solution architecture or what we're proposing them or guiding them to deploy and in what stages. Solutionlink also supports the idea of benchmark maturity. Often our customers want to know how they compare to their competitors in the same industry. So we have the opportunity or the ability to capture where they are currently in their digital maturity and then to show them where they could be. All of these things and more come together into a proposal. Solutionlink helps you auto-generate or capture all this information in a very short time frame into a document that allows you to deliver that to your customer very quickly and based on their feedback. You're probably familiar that we follow an interlock process. We have global sales initiatives, what we're focusing on. We have industry solutions and maps. We have our broad portfolio. And we have our experience that comes out of the field and advantage. All of these things are brought together through Solutionlink, sort of chained together, and allows us to be much more effective. We also know that orchestration and how important that is. There's various roles that are needed on any account pursuit. Solutionlink is a very effective orchestrator, whether you're from sales, portfolio development, pre-sales, services engagement manager. It allows you to all be on the same page, to be in lockstep, and to see what is being proposed and defined for that account. Solutionlink supports this prescriptive sales approach. We're expressing this really in 3 simple steps. The first is to prescribe. In other words, to go to the customer with a prescription or a starting point. That is done by using something called a solution catalog, which is a pre-definition of value and solution, commercial insights, and other things that will allow you to have a quick start. When you begin your account pursuit, you go into Solutionlink and we'll create something called a pursuit. And you might have generated your pursuit from a solution catalog. But we all know that every customer is a little bit different. And so you use Solutionlink to tailor for that customer, tailor their value definition, tailor their prioritization of how they're going to deploy, tailor what the scope of the solution is. And then lastly, the third step, of course, is to bring this all together into a proposal. What we've seen is that this whole process using Solutionlink shortens the whole time to close. It also is great for credibility. We recommend you use the tool in front of the customer. When they see you pull from best practices, not only do we align with our best practices, but they can see that we're pulling from a verified definition and from our best practices. Also, it allows you to give more exposure to the entire to our portfolio. And in this way, you have the opportunity to increase your deal size. When you create a pursuit in Solutionlink and you save it, it really becomes a starting point, a potential starting point for someone else. So as we have success and we improve, we have the opportunity to improve, we capture our good successes, and that has feedback back into the solution catalog or into pursuits, and in this way we've got this continuous improvement cycle. Well, hopefully that's a helpful quick introduction of why Solutionlink has been developed, the idea of prescriptive approach and how we support that, and how you can go faster and have more credibility in your next pursuit. Solutionlink is deployed on the Amazon cloud. All you have to remember is solutionlink.siemens.com and use your domain username and password. We're seeing a lot of success. We now have over 1,000 users globally across multiple Siemens business units and growing every day. If you got any questions, feel free to contact me, mike.scott@siemens.com. And good luck with your next pursuit.